Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and reading the weather blog. Well, we were in a freeze warning this morning in Topeka, Lawrence, St. Joe, Chillicothe, Kirksville. Many locations within the metro had their first freeze, but the official reporting site's KCI, and the low this morning was 35. So we are still officially waiting for our first freeze. And the reason why we struggle to get a freeze, struggling to get a storm system, is we've talked about this repeatedly. A lot of storm systems in the eastern Pacific riding into Canada, not across the United States. So that keeps the cold air bottled up across northwest Canada and even into Siberia. And the storm track is across southern Canada. That's where it should be in early to late summer, or late summer, and not the late fall going into winter. And so I put Minneapolis on here. It was in the low 40s during Saturday morning, but the lows, 34 Minneapolis, 35 at KCI. Minneapolis still waiting for their first freeze. The latest date prior to this year was November 6, 1958. And for us, our latest date is November 24th. And right now, don't see a whole lot of freezes in the forecast. Basically a sunny day today, warming into the 50s with a light south wind. Tomorrow morning, we'll be back into the 30s. There may be a few spots with a freeze. I doubt KCI will get to that point as warmer air begins to move in. 58 to 62 for tomorrow's high, 65 to 70 out west. The cooler air out east, and that warmer air is heading this way. So struggling to get a freeze, but also struggling to get rainfall. Look at the rainfall the next 7 days. Nothing from the southwest into the Midwest. All the rain from the Pacific Northwest up into Canada. That's where all the precipitation is, and just a few small systems off to the south. And so we remain dry for the next week or so. There is a storm at the end of the next week that we have to watch, but right now it looks like it's just going to blow on by with nothing. So the forecast for today, warming to 56 degrees, but sun sets at 5, and right after that, that temperature drops into the 40s. So definitely grab a jacket here today. And as we look at the 7-day forecast, again, dry across the board, no more freezes. Slight chance tomorrow morning, but I doubt it. We'll go 36. And then 72 Wednesday, 74 Thursday. There is that storm at the end of the week that will bring some wind and clouds. We're leaving rain out of the forecast. There's a slight chance if it slows down we could get something, but right now it does not look like the case. Also, how about this? The Snowflake Contest. You want to win a $1,000 gift card from Nebraska Furniture Mart? Well, when will the first 1 inch of snow fall, date and time, measured at 41 Action News by one of our meteorologists? Certainly not the next 7 days. So you go to kshb.com/contest to enter. Have a great weekend.